The first one, the three are the general principles. What are the specific principles? One, and what I intend to demonstrate with these specific principles and the general principles is that the answer to the question on the issue number 5 is in the affirmative. That yes, the IBC carried out verification, tallying, declaration of results in compliance with 138.3c and 138.10. These are the reasons. Number 1, the verification and tallying happened and was done by the chairperson, commissioners of IBC and the staff at the National Tallying Center in the presence of the candidates of the agents of the presidential candidates. And this is in the affidavit of William Ruto, paragraphs in support or in opposition of the petition, paragraphs 18 to 20, and the affidavits of Veronica Nduati, paragraphs 7 to 14. Number 2, the IBC complied because an interpretation to the effect that Article 138.3c refers to the 7 commissioners, or a majority of them, is inaccurate and pedantic for this reason, that the Constitution and the Elections Act attributes to the Commission certain acts that are eventually done not by commissioners, but by both the permanent and temporary staff of the IBC at the polling station, at the constituency tallying center and county tallying center, and I dare say even at the national tallying center. And that explains why, for example, the Constitution in Article 86.5 and 86B and 86C talks about the commission, but the work eventually is done by returning officers and in the first instance by the presiding officers. C, B, and C of Article 86 of the Constitution, which is not speaking about the National Assembly election or any other election, but the presidential election. The actions of returning officers, presiding officers, are deemed to have been done by the Commission, and that explains our argument. Number 3, an interpretation to the effect that Article